Welcome back to my channel. I know tomorrow is gonna be a Valentine's Day. I don't know how much you're prepared with your beloved ones, but yeah, I'm here watching some cartoons.
Except for that.
So today I'm going to show you how to use or open TSA lock. Sometimes we forget the patterns in maybe you had this one and it got lost and you don't know how you're going to open it. So today I'm just going to show you how to open your suitcase. You might be in a hurry and maybe the suitcase was locked and you don't know how to open it. So today I'm just going to show you the steps on how to open the TSA lock. As for me, you can see this one is written in Chinese and down here it is in English, but maybe let's assume that this one it got lost and your suitcase is locked. You want to travel, you want to get something from your suitcase and it is locked. So how are you going to open it? So follow me, and before we move ahead, make sure you subscribe on my YouTube channel. Hit on that subscribe red button and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. Yes. Kela Maloba. So assuming your suitcase is locked, I'm going to open it. This one. Let me use mine here. You see the numbers are different, and maybe you can set your own pattern, and they're all different here. You see, can't open it. It's hard to open. So what you're going to do is, you have to set there is a small hole here. When you turn, you'll see the hole. So let me try. Make sure they are all the same. I think you guys can see the hole. I've zoomed my camera. Here, there's a hole here. I don't see the others. The first one has a hole, and the rest, I need to the others I still need to look for the there I got it, the second one and the third one. So I have the holes on the same. So after that you start turning one by one, like that, and then you try, still can't open. Still can't open. You try like that until it still can't open. Still can't open. That's my first one. The same applies to this one. Make sure you turn until you get to the hole. This one. The two already. I think I got the hole for the two. So let me this one also. We have that also. Yeah, like that. patterns, they cannot be the same. They can be the same, or maybe after it keeps on changing. So let me start trying. Go on until you get the pattern. Yeah, there you go. I can now open and access my suitcase. I can open my suitcase and access my suitcase. So that's it. The TSA lock, that's how we open. So thank you guys for watching. Like this video, give it give it a thumb, and then subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you, love you all. Bye bye, see you in my next video.